welcome back to Nail of the Week. And this look here is for Easter. Check them out. Aren't those so pretty? I love them. My mom did pick out the lavender color, the French part I did. She picked that out, and I'm just excited. Now, it's so funny. The look that I keep telling you guys about that I wanted to do, I was supposed to do it last week, and I ended up doing that business type look I did because it was so cold I couldn't do the outfit I wanted to do outside. And then I was going to do it for my next one right now this week, and I forgot it was Easter. And of course, I'm going to wear my outfit on Easter, so you guys won't get it till the Friday after for the outfit of the day. But it will, it will be what I wore for Easter. Of course, there's going to be a toe design that matches this as well, and I'm excited. It's all so pretty. I love Easter. I think it's probably one of my most favorite holidays for dressing up. But as far as that outfit, I can't wait for you guys to see that one. It's actually going to be kind of like a recreation of a movie, and it's very sexy. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's elegant, it's gorgeous, it's an evening out look, and I'm just excited to show you guys that one, and I promise it will be the week after, but I just totally forgot about Easter, so I had to get this one done. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are notified of all my videos, and shoot me a thumbs up because it makes me smile. I love you guys very much. God bless, take care, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Now, let's get started on this beautiful Easter look. Hi everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's nail design. A beautiful lavender French with flowers, pearls, and rhinestones. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nail of the Week. Another beautiful spring look, and this one's special because it's going to be my Easter nails. I have gone with this beautiful French. It's a very high French line done in a lavender purple, and my mother picked this color out for me. It's going to look great with my Fashion Fridays outfit of the day, which will be worn on Easter. You guys will get that video late. I apologize for that, but you'll get to see what I wore on Easter. So, for starters, we'll talk about the nails here. Like I said, I've done this French look. Let me show you what I'm using in today's design. So, for the French look, I started off with my favorite sheer pink. It's Essie's High Maintenance. Love this one. Getting very low on it. Need to get some more. And then my mother picked this one out, this purple, L'Oreal, and it's called Royalty Renovate 107. Very beautiful, beautiful, kind of a bluish lavender. Love it so much, and that's what I've done in the French look here. And then I'm working with acrylic paints. I needed a purple. I used Purple Pansy by the Apple Barrel, which is 50 cents from Walmart. And then this was a pack I got from Target, all different colors. This one here is Fuchsia. I had to mix those two together because I needed a certain purple, and it's right here. You see, I've mixed all these, and I didn't get the color till I started seeing I was getting it right there, so I started over here. That's the color purple I needed. I'll get close. It's kind of a, almost like a purple pink. Very beautiful. And then I made it lighter here so I can use highlights for the flowers. And then I also needed white, and I've sprayed it down with water. Acrylic paints work way better when you use water, so I've sprayed it down. Then through my flowers, I'm going to use these pearls. Now the pearls come, there's that kind of yellowish color. I'm going to use that lighter one right there, the lighter pearl right there, the white one. I know it's right next to a silver. Let's see if I can move it over and just be able to get just that for you right there. That's the one I'm going with. And then around it, I'm going to use an AB crystal. These are really tiny. I ordered them off of eBay, and they're super, super tiny. I think they were, I know I usually use 5SS. I think these were a 2SS. They were really, really tiny. Might be why it says 2.2 here. I'm not sure. But very, very tiny, and I got a lot of stones for a very good price. I've got different sizes here. This is the larger. Then it went down, it's a little bit smaller, and then it went down a little bit smaller. And I'm using these very tiny ones around the pearls. And I'm going to be working with Robin Moses's brush here, the wand. It's robinmosesnailart.com is how you order them. It's called the wand. there's the tip. Yes, it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. She recommends you leave them dirty in between your designs. And then to pick up the stones, I'm just going to use an orange wood stick, and I'm going to just use a nail glue. And then when I'm all done, I am going to dry it up with the Dry Fast Seche Vite. Love this one from Sally's. So I am going to get started on some of the flowers, and I will return to show you guys what I'm doing. All right. So now you see I have got these beautiful flowers, almost like a lily, or it almost could look like the Christmas flower, the poinsettia, but it's made to look more like the lily. And isn't that beautiful? I love them. I think they're gorgeous. I also am going to add a different type of white flowers around them, but I'll show you how I am doing that. So let me draw in here and grab the brush. I'm dipping into that purple that I made, and you always want to get just, you know, part way up the brush. That's what she teaches. Never get it into the neck. Okay. Now, because this flower's here and this is here and that one's there and this one's there, I'm going to kind of do this one a little bit different. So I'm going to start it over here, and I will make a 5 petal. I'm actually going to do it right about here. Okay. I'm going to set the brush down, go to one side. They're kind of like my leaves. Go to the other side and give it a little pull on the end there. Okay. Then I'm going to put one next to it, and there's 6 petals to these. Not all are going to have 6 because some are coming off the nail, so they're not going to be 6. But I do try to do at least one full one in my design. On each finger, I was doing one full flower, and then the rest was kind of just a half somehow. Okay, and then I'm going to turn my finger over and now start the other ones going this way and do 2 more here. So we'll put it down here, go to the side here, go like this, and give it a little pull in the end. You always want that end to have a sharp point. Just makes the flower look prettier, and they don't have to be perfect because remember, this is a painting. You don't want to look like a sticker. You want it to look like a painting. So let me fix this one a little bit more and then come off to the side like that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is come down just into this corner here. I'll turn my finger over again. And I'm just going to put just a couple petals down as if it's coming off the nail here. So this one's not going to look like exact full petals. You just want to just get in that shape there. So I'm just going to put one more on this side as well, just a little line like that. And it looks like the flower is coming halfway off the nail there. So that is how I'm doing those flowers. Now I'm going to add in the white flowers, and then I will return. I also will be highlighting these purple ones, but I'll let them dry a little bit more. So I'm going to add in the white flowers right now. I will return. Okay, I'm back, and I did decide to do the highlight first. That way I wouldn't mess anything up because I'm going to kind of put the white flowers kind of a little over the top of them. So I am working in the same family of that color. I'll pull it over and show you. I think I already did in the beginning, but this I just added over here with a little bit of white. So it's the exact same family, and that's how you want to do it. That way when you do the highlight, it's exactly the same color, just shades lighter. So I'm just going to get a little bit on the brush again, even less when you're doing it this way. And you can just go right to the side. This is the easiest to do. Just run it through, right through your design like that. Some will be a little thinner, some will be a little thicker, but just get the highlight in there. Probably should draw in for you. Get a little bit more here. And again, just as long as you're tapping in a little bit of that highlight, then it makes that flower pop even more, makes it come to life even more, gives it dimension. So gives it dimension. So isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to be adding the stark white flowers with it. I will do some and I will return. There's the thumbs. Okay, now you see I've got just some tiny little white flowers running through it, just to give it this one just a little bit more being my Easter design. So I've left a finger open. I'll show you. These type here are so easy to do. Just dipping right into pure white, and I just want a little tiny bit of paint. I'll show you the brush, just a little tiny bit. And all I'm gonna do is literally just set the brush down. So set it down and kind of make a dot. That's about it. And go around. I'm making 5 petals. So just set it down and go around. It makes 5 petals. And then I'm going to do another one probably right in this area. That'd be pretty. So just set it down again. And you want to do this 5 times. So let's get it right there. Whoops, that one needs just a little bit more. And then there, and right there. Isn't that cute? And it just gives it just the right little cuteness for it. I really like it. So now we are going to work on the stones. I'm going to start with the pearls. I'll get some done and I'll return. All right, now I've got the pearls in where they fit. Doesn't that look good? I've left this finger open to show you. So just using my orange wood stick, dipping into some glue that I put on a lid. And I don't think there's enough glue there. It started to dry out, so I'll put a little bit more on the lid because I'm going to need it for the crystals anyways. I will draw in here. And I'm just going to put a dot here and a dot there of the glue. And then we'll get the little pearls here, the white color ones. And hopefully we can pick these up without any trouble. I probably should have used a Q-tip to pick these up instead of the stick, just because these are a little bit heavier than picking up a Swarovski crystal. Speaking of, these are by Swarovski. I'll show you the pack of them. This is the pack of them there, the 3 colors. And see, it's by Swarovski. I always say that name wrong, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So there you go, and it has the beautiful pearls in there like that. Now what I'm going to do is put in the tiny little crystals to give it some more, now we want bling. So we're gonna add in some crystals and probably into the tiny white flowers. I'll get some done and we'll return. All right, now I've got those tiny little crystals in the white flowers. Isn't that beautiful? Just enough of that little bit of bling. So I've left this finger open. I'm gonna show you guys. They are very tiny, but very beautiful. So again, we're just gonna dot in the 2 areas, the white now, to give a little bit of glue. And then I'm just gonna pick up 2 tiny little stones. And these ones are much easier to pick up because they're so light. And 1 more right here. And then see, it just gives it that perfect little bit of beauty along with those pearls. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I think it really turned out pretty. So now I'm gonna top coat everything with my dry fast top coat, and I will return to show all of you the end product. Alrighty, I am all done with my Easter nails. And aren't these just feminine and girly? I love them. And my mom did great picking out that lavender color, and I love it with the lily type flowers I did, and then the small dotted flowers. And then of course I topped it off with the pearls and the rhinestones. I think this one is so pretty, you guys. I can't wait to show you the toe design, and then of course the Fashion Fridays outfit of the day that I will be wearing on Easter, but of course you guys won't get it till the Friday after. I hope you guys are all doing well. God bless, take care, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Good night, everyone.